Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle photo. First, open the image you wish to transform into a circular shape within Photoshop. Make sure your image layer is not locked, which you can check in the Layers panel. If it is locked, simply click the lock icon to unlock it. This initial step prepares your canvas for the creative process ahead, ensuring you can freely apply edits without restriction. We will focus on non-destructive methods for flexibility. Now, let's create that perfect circle. Choose the elliptical marquee tool from your Photoshop toolbar. It might be nested under the rectangular marquee tool. To ensure a perfectly symmetrical circle, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while you click and drag to draw the selection. Carefully position this circular selection over the part of your image you want to feature. You can move the selection by clicking inside it and dragging. With your perfect circular selection active, it's time to apply a layer mask. Navigate to the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon, which looks like a rectangle with a circle inside. This action instantly hides everything outside your circular selection, revealing only the content within the circle. The beauty of a layer mask is its non-destructive nature. You can always refine it later by painting with black to hide or white to reveal. Finally, let's refine and export your new circular photo. If you need to adjust the image's position within the mask, unlink the mask from the layer in the Layers panel, then move the image layer. Consider adding a subtle stroke or other layer styles for a polished look. Once satisfied, go to File, then Export, and choose a format like PNG for transparency or JPG for a standard image. Your unique circular photo is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.